Good morning, guys. I had the sniffles last night, perhaps because I slept directly in the bed in the other room where it's dusty, and I have most likely have dust mite allergy. So yeah, couldn't sleep really well last night, and I had my exercise, and I'm doing this exercise non-stop for more than 10 months now, from 1st January, I think. So that is a good thing. And yesterday I brought some clothes from the ironing shop. Yeah, Tony also runs an ironing shop, and here there's a local Tony. I forgot his name, Charu. So there's that. So let's choose a topic for today, and today's topic can be shadow. So I see a shadow there. I don't know if you can see it, the window shadow. And so shadows are formed when there is a source of light and there is an object which partially obstructs the light coming from that source, and there is a screen behind which catches the light that is from the source. So where the object is, from there it will cast a shadow in the screen behind it. The screen can also be a wall or something else. And there are two types of shadows, the umbra and penumbra, and they're used for celestial bodies. But here, for simplification, we can use only one shadow. And shadows are used in shadow boxing, where you punch at your shadow images. It's probably not how it is, but it is the way it is described in a comic book. So, and shadows are important because they also tell us about the brightness of lights. So if there are no shadows in our life, then we won't appreciate the brightness, because when they're together, then we can see the contrast between the darkness and the light. And shadow can also be in footsteps. For example, some poets are the shadows, were shadowing Rabindranath Tagore, so they have similar styles. So that is another use of the word shadow. And finally, I would like to say that I once had a dog, which is our neighbor's dog, but it roamed freely in the village, and in its area, of course, they have designated areas, demarcated areas by the dogs themselves. And this shadow dog was my constant partner when I was in middle school, in the early middle school. So he was a really nice dog. So that was all about shadows. Thank you for listening. Hope to see you again, and bye-bye.